Today I received something very special in the post, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video. So bear with me, I just have to be very careful while I open this. It has come all the way from Germany. From my good friend Dietmar Pohl. So you can see we have a box there with the Polforce movie knives on it. There's an envelope, 2 envelopes. I'll start off with this one. Beautiful. Not sure if you can see it alright. Polforce patch. So that's a gift from Dietmar, which I very much appreciate. Thank you, my brother. Then we have the Raven patch. Absolutely awesome. Wow. That's so cool. To my friend Greg. So, if you don't already know, that's Dietmar and his lovely daughter Annika in Hope, where First Blood was made, at the cinema. So that was the last screening in that cinema, and they played First Blood. And Dietmar and Annika were guests there, and it was for the final screening of a movie at that cinema. Thank you so much, Dietmar. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful sheath by Radar Sheaths in Italy, signed number 2 of 25, Dietmar Pohl. Amazing quality, beautiful. I'm not sure about other people, but I'm sure I'm not the only one that smells the sheaths when they first open up. Got the sharpening rod. There's the quality leather leg strap. Another envelope. So, what do we have in here? Certificate of authenticity. Love this photo, so cool. The First Blood river. To Greg Foster, number 2 of 25. There's a flyer for the Radar Sheath Company. The awesome flyer for the Legacy. My son's just entered. I'll be with you in a minute, buddy. There we have the walking tour map of Hope. So the walking tour is for all the filming locations in Hope. Getting closer. Bear with me. So photos. So I should explain what they are. So there's Dietmar in the sheriff's car. I'm anxious to open up the next part of the package. Anyway, there he is in the main street of Hope. The mountains in the background. The river again. So Dietmar sent me a pebble from that river and signed it, which I find very awesome. I keep it with a little piece of the bridge that I have. There's the truck we all know in the junkyard on First Blood. And there he is with the truck and an M16. There's the big 44-gallon drum near the junkyard with a legacy. That's the sign when you enter Hope. There's a highway. There's the cool stunt motorbike. We all know that tree that Stallone nearly hit sliding around the corner. And another one with the river. Here we go. Look at this beautiful pouch. Beautiful pouch. And here it is. Look at that. What an amazing, amazing piece that is. 2 of 25. Pole. There's the Raven patch. There's a little bit of oil on the blade, that's okay. There's the little tool to open up the handle. There's a hollow section in there. Pays homage to the first couple of knives in the movies. These things are so comfortable in hand. Really, really cool knives. Absolutely beautiful. And if you have a look, the stamping is the same font as the original Lyle knives. So, hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Dietmar and the team at Pole Force, thank you so much. I cherish our friendship and I'm honoured and I feel very lucky to own any piece from Pole Force. But these knives are the cream of the crop. Thank you, and I hope everyone had a good weekend.